saying welcome back. Say the rest of it. This is video number. And this road is, hopefully you can hear Micah. Welcome to Daddy Drives number 86. This is Black's Road, Mareeba. We're out and about today again. This is Saturday the 27th of January 2024. This is Montagliani Close. Old Mr. Montagliani that owned this land before had a grape farm here, but now it's all housing. But right where we're driving now, I've picked grapes here. Yeah, he passed away, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, 10 years ago. This is the road I grew up on for the first 14 years. This all used to be tobacco, all these paddocks. Now it's all housing. I'll go on these two roads. Oh, there's a dog running really fast. This is still Black's Road here. Funny, I haven't thought to do this road yet. I used to jog up and down here. There's another little street there. And on the right here, when we were young, we used to go down there. Just in there, I don't know if it's all overgrown now. There's still tire tracks there. Actually, this doesn't say keep out anymore, so I just drive up here a bit. But yeah, it used to say keep out here. But back on the right there was a house, and we used to ask them permission to go down to the river, which is just down there. This does say private property, so I'll have to turn around. And yeah, there were these big high rocks, or boulders if you want to call them that. I mean, they're still there. And it is called High Rocks. And we used to jump off them into the water. I'm not a very good judger of heights. I don't know how high the highest rock would be. 5 meters maybe. Probably a bit higher actually. But the house that was there either got demolished or just fell down itself. When the people finally moved out of that house, we used to go and have a look in them, of course. sunny, then wet, then sunny, then wet. This is Dawson Road, this one. Maigon Sunrise Close. Pink fence there. I don't know what they were thinking, but at least it's bright and different. The main road we want to go on today is Pickford Road. That road doesn't go very far, Micah. You can also go down there to the river. This is the road I grew up on. I probably won't say much more just for privacy reasons, but I could share more about it. Hasn't changed much, just there's houses in here now, like a little estate on the right, and a couple of other houses back where we were, but that's about all that's changed here. All of this on the left is basically the same. Big blocks of land and people not really doing anything with them, not developing them or anything. Maybe it's not worth it, maybe they don't care. I don't know, maybe they like having a big property. This gully used to be different, it used to be deeper and not as wide, and it used to flood, and we used to not have to go to school. I'll stop the video now, and when we get to Pickford Road we'll do another one.